Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And this video will be a really quick tip from me for you about the work gloves. As you can imagine, the mechanics, people working on the vehicles, go through a lot of work gloves. So you know these ones from the videos. I like to use them a lot, because they actually are very thin. And look at this one. This one is not ripped yet. It was spare from another one, but the right one is still good. This one is ripped a lot. So they are very thin, but they really quickly develop these holes. So as you can see, some of them might be good. Boom, another. That's a typical, that's where you're turning the screws, right? So that was that brand. Craftsman, I don't know if you can even buy this anymore, but that wasn't really good too. These were failing right here, so I will never recommend that for 1 second. This one was maybe a different one. And look at that. This one is still fine, but it was a pair of some and it got ripped. Oh yeah, this was the fella. See that? Again, it lasts maybe a week, two, and because it's thin, it rips really quickly, and the glove, it's gone, and it's basically throwaway. And I was just throwing it on the pile, as you can see, instead of throwing it in the garbage, because I thought, well, one of them sometimes was good, so maybe I will go when I have a time, which I never have a time. Maybe one day I will go through them and I will pick up pairs which are good. But working on the cars keeps me busy, so I don't have a time to play with that. And I was working here yesterday. I was using for that super fine touch, I was using these because they are brand new. So they are not ripped yet. But then I touched the other pair. Let me show you. And I got to the really interesting realization. This is original pair, which I never made a hole into yet. You can trust me. I'm not being paid to make this video, I just want to share it with you. Look at these tips, these two fingers, which always give. There are scratches on it, but they never ripped. They are maybe a little bit thicker than the other ones, which are on the floor, and I'm just standing in it right now. But this is the first original pair. It just occurred to me. Yesterday I was wrenching here, busting my knuckles anytime I took them off, so I keep them as much as I can unless I'm reaching for a little screw which I might drop, because obviously with fingers you have a better feel to grab anything. But this is original pair of these gloves. I have the remaining two at home for different purpose, for working around the house, carrying 2x4s and so on, working on the baseboard, blah, blah, blah. But I'm using these at this shop. I have it for what? Almost half a year, and I still didn't make a hole in them. Incredible. Where did I get them? What are they? Well, it's this. So when I went to Costco yesterday and I saw they are on sale. This package costs normally $24, $24.99, and right now it's this 3-pack is for $20. So I really quickly wanted to share this with you. There is even the measuring chart here on the back. You don't need to go there and rip it open. You can just compare your hand and you will see if you need a large or extra large. I have big hands, so I have to buy the extra larges, but I can recommend it to you or everybody, and they are on sale. So here you go. little tip from me for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.